Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you all are doing great. About what does a motorcycle accident lawyer do? So let's go to the videos. What does a motorcycle accident lawyer do? Motorcycle riders are a very vulnerable group on the road. Thus individuals face many dangers from other drivers, such as distracted trekkers or cars cutting them off and not paying attention to their surroundings. Motorcycles riders should contact an experienced motorcycle accident lawyer if they even ever get into an accident. This article will discuss what a motorcycle accident law firm can do for injured riders and other families. What makes a motorcycle lawyer different than other type of lawyers? What what makes a motorcycle lawyer different than other types of lawyers? Unlike personal injury advocates who work on cases involving car accidents, slip and fall injuries, or other types of accident at home or in public places, a motorcycle accident authority knows the law that govern the road. They represent victims who have been in motorcycle accidents. These are serious accidents because these motorcycles do not have the safety further like being inside a car. Statistics show that motorcycle accident injuries happen at high rates simply because motorcycles are similar than other vehicles on the road. For example, they have less plug to absorb shocks from impact. While, while the number of people who die in motorcycle accidents is significantly lower than the number of victims who are injured, it does not mean there is less trauma or injuries involved. Even if a injury victim does live to tell their story, they may have many medical experience to deal with while trying to get back on their feet again. In many cases, this includes being out of work for some extended time. Even losing one's job can be a severe blow to anyone's finances and well-being. For all these reasons, it is beneficial to speak with someone who knows how motorcycle accident laws affect motorcycle riders when they are injured in a motorcycle accident. What are some of the most common types of motorcycle accident injury and what are some of the most common reasons for a motorcycle accident? There are so many things is available. How can a motorcycle lawyer help you? You can find out from here. So if you want to know more, please visit this site and get everything. Hopefully this video will get you some experience about motorcycle accident law. So thanks for watching.